Hi, I'm Pepe Cantor. This is another, song about people. They have so much love, but they don't want to see him going, and then the love flies away. It's a sad song. All right. Mm-hmm. White dove, the nest is lonely and sad. The mate looks up to the skies. He's wondering why she left him. He don't wanna live like this. Poor pitiful that bird he feels. He's tired of crying so much. He's drowning with his own tears. He asks the Lord for his death. Can live with a broken heart. He cried for her. He cried a lot. He cried so much. So he was doing since that time she left him. He just cried for her. Because he cried, because he cried, because he cried. He can't see anymore. He can't fly no more. His death is arriving and he's agonizing, 'cause he's waiting for her. He will die, he will die, he will die. Should I burn he die, what comes life is dying when there's only love. He looked at the skies, he will see you flying, he will tell you things for good times and loving. He will see your wings that one time embraced him. He will shut his dreams that never came true. He will die, he will die, he will die. What do you call this? Crimea River or something? Man, he was drowning his own tears, that poor bird. Oh man, oh, don't worry, I'm cleaning my handkerchief. All right, I hope you like this song, okay?